All right, I believe we are getting into the fourth week now of our summer session. I am in our Blackboard course and going to pull up this week's folder. We're on week 4. We're on the nervous system and the eyes and ears, conditions related to. Okay, we have a group discussion assignment that is coming up due with this week's homework. And we'll talk a little bit about that. And our lesson plan, I'm going to pull it up. Give it a moment here. All right, and we are still focusing on ICD-10 coding. There are some extra resources that you can check out. Like I said, we're, as coders, researchers, so we always want to be spending time learning about different conditions. It's very fascinating, particularly cochlear implants. And we have a Exam 1 PowerPoint review. So the exam is actually, that's going to be part of next week's homework deadlines. But just in case you're wondering, you can access the review PowerPoint and take a look at it. And I think I decided I'm going to actually do more specific review on this next week, but just if you'd like a preview. And then we have our weekly PowerPoint review with the instructor. So even after we do our session here online, I'd recommend downloading both of these PowerPoints and reviewing them again on your own, just to get that extra practice. All right, here is the Exam 1 review PowerPoint. Definitely download this before you start the exam, because I do try to clarify a few things here on specific question numbers even, and everything that you're going to run into. We're going through some guidelines here. So this is just as a prep tool for you, hopefully to be as successful on that first exam as possible. I went ahead and closed that, but like I said, I'll talk more about that next week. And there will be a bonus point opportunity. I'm just going to slide down here in the week 5 folder. And you do have a bonus point opportunity for the exams. So that's some good news. And there is a second check-in survey assignment, which I think everybody has been doing good based on the results of the first check-in survey. So so far so good, but as we progress further along and get into different things, of course, that can change. Let's see, getting on our discussions link in the course here, I'm going to click on the little speech bubble guide. And we are getting into group discussion 1. So you're each going to have an assigned topic. And this is where you're going to make your discussion. It's different from the old Blackboard courses, but you may have more experience in. Or some of you, this may be your first time taking a class in this layout, but this is the discussion. So all of your instructions are here. I'm looking for a pretty lengthy post on your group discussion post, and you do have an assigned topic. I do have a quick summary there, like if my topic's neoplasms, I write a summary about the statistics on neoplasms in America, what are the most common types, what's the most common types of treatment, how to use the neoplasm table in ICD-10, any guidelines, any local area, businesses that treat cancer patients. So this is just an idea of the type of research that you may be doing. And you have your individually assigned topic there. And we do have one other group discussion. So this is the grading criteria. What it's going to have at least 3 paragraphs with 5 sentences, 3 web sources at the very end of the post. All you have to do is put a link in. Summarize 3 minimum diagnoses and 3 treatments of assigned topic. And these are broad, so it just can be whatever you want to land on. Minimal items, 2 items about medical coding is discussed. No spelling or grammatical errors. Your post is going to present as an introduction to the topic, basically, kind of like a blog. Sometimes we do blog assignments, so this is kind of the same purpose. And once you get your post complete, I would recommend doing it in a Word document first, and then just copying and pasting it into the discussion assignment. So once you get your post created, you're going to pop down here where it says type a response, and you get your text box ready to put your post in. You can edit and add whatever you may like from the menu icons, but it's not necessary. All I'm looking for is text. And once you get your response ready, you'll click on that respond button, and you'll be replying to each other's as well. So that's the last thing on this criteria. Student must make one reply minimum to all group members. Well, you just want to one. You can make just one reply to a group member. So just to specify that one reply, at least one reply after you make your post, but you can reply as many times as you like. All right, that is the group discussion assignment that is coming up for this week. Let's stop this.